Outdoor and Nature Verbs. Climb.
Climb means to go up.
Climb the ladder. Hike.
Hike means to walk in nature.
We hike together. Camp.
Camp means to stay outdoors in a tent.
They camp in tents. Fish.
Fish means to catch fish.
Dad fishes in the lake. Row.
Row means to move a boat with oars.
Row the boat. Sail.
Sail means to travel in a boat with sails.
The boat sails away. Explore.
Explore means to discover new places.
Explore the forest. Hunt.
Hunt means to look for animals or food.
Lions hunt prey. Grow.
Grow means to become bigger.
Flowers grow fast. Bloom.
Bloom means to produce flowers.
Roses bloom beautifully. Pick.
Pick means to take something by hand.
Pick some apples. Smell.
Smell means to sense an odor.
Smell the flowers. Watch.
Watch means to look carefully.
Watch the birds. Collect.
Collect means to gather things together.
Collect the leaves. Harvest.
Harvest means to gather crops from farms.
Farmers harvest crops. Chase.
Chase means to run after someone or something.
Cats chase mice. Roar.
Roar means to make a loud, deep sound.
Lions roar loudly. Gallop.
Gallop means to run fast like a horse.
Horses gallop fast. Peck.
Peck means to hit with a bird's beak.
Birds peck seeds.